If you want to invest into the world of crypto market just like me, then you need to pay attention to this video, because in this video I will be breaking the whole thing step by step so you understand exactly what crypto market is all about and how you can invest in the world of crypto and make the most out of it. The crypto market is a very liquid market, and there's going to be always high return when it comes to investing in the crypto markets. And do not forget also the downside, because you could easily lose your money to either scammers or market fluctuation. This is the major reason why you need to give me all the listening ear, because I will be breaking down everything in this video step by step. If you actually want to make money from the crypto markets, then honestly, you just pay attention, because I will be telling you exactly what crypto market is all about and how you watching this video you can make the most out of it. And is it fit for beginners? This is likely the most question people are asking, especially beginners, almost every single day. Crypto trading is good for both beginners and professionals with years of experience. If you know you are a beginner and you want to venture into the world of crypto trading, then this video is the right video for you. All I want you to do for me right now is to pay 100% attention, because if you leave so early, there's no doubt you are going to miss the information in this video. This is the major reason why you need to stick around and watch this wonderful video to the end. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm here with you once again in the studio, and I want you to give me your 100% attention, because if you are like me, who is always investing in the world of crypto, there's gonna be lot of questions in your mind, and in this video I want to be clearing the air step by step. If today's the first time you are seeing me, my name is Joseph Benson. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification for all notification. In case I have a brand new video just like this one, of course you will be notified. Please feel free to like or dislike the video. It's fine, it's very fine. And don't also forget to share this video with family and friends. It will help me a lot. And in this video we are going to see what is crypto. But before then, welcome to Joe Crypto Trend. In this very particular channel, I talked about crypto, what is it all about, and how you can invest your money with peace of mind and make the most out of it. But remember, I am not a crypto expert. So whatsoever you do in this video or whatsoever you learn in this video, you are doing that on your own risks, because crypto market or crypto investment whatsoever come with a very high risk. That simply means you could easily lose your money while investing in the crypto market due to fluctuation, or you could easily lose your money to scammers, because there are a lot of scammers in the crypto space today. So make sure you stick around and watch the video to the end. First of all, I want you to understand what is crypto. Crypto is a digital asset on a blockchain technology, and being a digital asset on a blockchain technology, it's very versatile and very easy for beginners to invest their money on. That is to say, if you invest your money in the world into crypto, there's every possibility you should start making consistent money almost every single day. Investing into the world of crypto, it's easy and 100% beginner friendly. Just the way you could easily make money fast in the crypto space, the same way you could start losing money if you are not careful. So investing into the world of crypto is very important, especially for beginners who are looking to make money. Now with crypto, you can buy and sell crypto easily. And again, there are so many vendors right now, they're accepting crypto here and there. That simply means you can use crypto to buy and sell anything you want all over the world without any problem. It's very decentralized, and anyone can jump into the world of crypto markets and start making it today. So make sure you just stick around and watch the video to the end, because I have a lot to share with you. Crypto right now is like a digital gold with a super high return, and it has a boundless transaction, because with crypto you have a boundless transaction. Now let me explain to you in a great detail what that means. In regular currency like the dollar, the naira, the pound sterling and so on, you are limited to some certain expenses, or maybe to certain transaction, and it's been regulated. The way you spend your money, it's 100% regulated. But when it comes to crypto spending or crypto transaction, it's 100% boundless. It's limitless. You can spend any amount you want to spend without any problem. That makes it a boundless transaction, and you can do it at any given time without a problem. And one good thing about crypto that I like, it also comes with a very high return. if you want to invest money into the world of crypto. A tiny bit of investment into the crypto space could return with a very huge amount. I have someone who invests $400 into the world of crypto. Before you know, the whole thing converted into $16,000 in no time. That is to say, crypto have a very high return, and anyone can tap into these liquid markets and start making money almost every single day. In this very particular channel, I have indicators and strategies that I always use to trade the crypto markets from MT5 and MT4. And if you think this is what you want, you can easily contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. The link are 100% available in the video description below, and I will be sharing with you or telling you exactly how you can get this indicator, apply it to your chart, and you can start trading the crypto market today in order to make more money. Another thing again I want you to understand is choosing the right crypto broker, and or better still, choosing the right crypto exchange. Because if you don't choose the right crypto exchange, you will be losing money on a daily basis. And some of those exchanges don't last. They are here today, but before you know, they completely disappear from the face of the internet. And if maybe you have money on your account or wallet with this exchanger, this is when you are going to have problem, because your money will be gone without trace. This is the danger of crypto altogether. And you know, there's one thing I want you to know. Getting the right exchanger, it's very, very important. I will be leaving the link to some prominent exchanger that I'm using over the years, and I've been exchanging crypto almost every single day, and I make money. One of it is Binance, another one is Bybit, and then the third one here is No One's. No One's is very, very versatile, and I like it so much. Another one again that I always do my transaction day to day on it, it's called BitUnix. BitUnix is among the best too, and it's very, very versatile, easy to use, and 100% beginner friendly. Choosing the right exchanger is not only going to keep you safe in the crypto space, but it's going to also enhance the way you trade the crypto market with confidence. Today, or let's say in this video, we are going to see the benefits of getting a perfect crypto wallet. But understand exactly what is crypto wallet. Crypto wallet, it's like a bank account where you can easily have your crypto account, crypto coin or token safe on your wallet. And anytime you want to make use of your crypto, you can easily go to your wallet and you can use your crypto without any problem. The debits and credits can easily happen on your wallet. Now, what is actually wallet again? When we are looking at wallet is like a bank account, or let's say an account number where you can easily save your token. And crypto wallets normally come in a blockchain. It comes in a different, like a multiple ID in a long format. And that will lead me to another thing again that I want to tell you. If you make single mistake on your wallet address, someone sending money to you, the money will be gone forever without a single trace. And this is something I think you need to keep in your mind. And it's a serious concern, because a tiny bit of mistake, all this money is gone without trace. Now, wallet is very, very important for you to have. Without having a crypto wallet, honestly, transaction will be very, very way too difficult for you. Keep that in mind as well. Another thing again I want you to keep in mind is know how to manage your wallet properly. Don't share your wallet easily, maybe in the face of the internet. And another thing again I want you to keep in mind is make sure your wallet is 100% secure. Because if your wallet is not secure, any possible login or access into your wallet, you are going to lose or lost all your cryptocurrency without trace. And this is going to be one of the biggest danger that every crypto trader need to keep in mind. Make sure your wallet access it's 100% secure with passphrase and possible Google Authenticator, and maybe email alert. They can easily send you a one-time alert to your email or your mobile phone. Make sure the security of your wallet is 100% super tight, because without having that in place, you will be having a serious problem while trying to invest in the world of crypto altogether. This is something I want you to keep in mind, because it's going to help you a lot. This is a complete guide, and I want to make sure I lay the whole thing step by step for you to understand, so you can invest into the world of crypto with confidence. And another thing again I want to show or share with you in this video is investing into the world of crypto with strategies. Now, the strategies that I will be laying out for you mostly is use of indicators. Use of indicators and strategy honestly will skyrocket the way you trade the crypto market. I have tons and tons of strategy that are 100% legit, and you can use them right now to start skyrocketing the way you trade the crypto market and make a huge amount of profit. Strategies will totally change the way you trade the crypto market, because I believe information is power, right? And if you have good indicators that you can apply to your MT4 and MT5 or even trading view, you should be able to start trading the crypto market with confidence and you don't feel any problem or maybe threatening at all. Again, this is just very, very important. You can contact me right now via email or maybe via my WhatsApp, which is the number is available, and also via Telegram, which the both links and phone numbers are available in the video description below. You can contact me and I will guide you through what kind of indicators or strategies you can apply to your crypto trading career, and you should start making money almost every single day. Now, crypto is winning and everybody is jumping into the world of crypto because it's very, very liquid and super profitable. And the return here, it's very, very high. Almost everybody know the value of crypto. And I think you should get started. You should get ready, because there's something I call FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. If you have this fear in mind, this is the time for you to clear the air, clear your mind, and face the reality. You can start jumping into the world of crypto today, but you will need some helpful tools right now. Some of the tools are useful paid premium indicators that can pinpoint the right time for you to go into the market to either buy or sell, and then the right time for you to exit the market with tons and tons of profit. Now, crypto, it's very, very liquid and high profitable, and anyone can go into these markets and make a consistent living out of it without any fear. There are popular crypto projects I think you need to know if you want to start investing into the world of crypto. The first one here is the BTC USDT. The BTC USDT, it's very, very good, and it's these tokens, this cryptocurrency combined as a pair, it's very, very stable, and I love trading it because the level of volatility, it's very, very less, and it's super easy to start trading right now. And I can also pinpoint some of the useful indicators and strategies that you can apply to your BTC USDT and make a whole bunch of money. But there's kind of misconception or confusion between BTC USDT and BTC USD. The BTC USD have a slight difference with the BTC USDT. Now, the BTC USDT is also very, very versatile. You can find that on most brokers right now, on your MT4 trading platform and also MT5 trading platform. Now, without any problem, those strategies can work on either BTC USDT or BTC USD. And you can start trading those strategy with confidence without any problem. And another one again I want to talk about is BTC Solana or Solana USDT or Solana USD and so on. Solana, it's a very stable coin that I think everybody need to start looking into it. Now with Solana, you can even walk into a car selling spot and you can buy an exotic car and pay with Solana and also BTC. This kind of make the difference. And if you're watching me, you are not yet subscribed, you are not doing well. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I will be dropping content time to time. I want you to learn to understand the value of BTC USD on crypto market generally. And I want you to know how you can start making money in the world of crypto in 2025. And I don't want you to be left out. It's very, very important you are with us and we work together. This is not my first channel. This is a brand new channel about crypto because I have a Forex channel that is fast growing. And this is a brand new channel. This is the major reason why you need to support us, because in this channel, we will be sharing information that we think it's very, very important for you to make your life better. Very, very important. Keep that in mind daily basis, okay? Another thing again I want you to keep in mind is risk management, because if you don't understand how to apply a proper risk management, you will be having a problem when it comes to crypto investment. Risk management is very, very important for you to manage. Like, we're going to be looking at lot size, the best lot size to use, and also take profit and stop loss. Of course, it works when it comes to crypto trading. You need to know when to enter the market and when to exit. In fact, you need to know when it's enough for you to trade the financial market and come out with profit. Because being greedy to stay in the market, you want to make the whole money in one day, you could start losing money and blow up your account completely. Risk management and knowing how to properly apply it is very, very important. This is the major reason why you need to stick around with us. In case I have any brand new content on how you can go on with proper risk management, I will be laying it out step by step in this very particular channel as a video, so you can stay informed and keep making money almost every single day. The last point I want to stress in this video is being safe. Stay safe, because there are a lot of scammers and hackers out there who are looking for you to make a tiny bit of mistake, and they'll have access to your account, wipe your coin. And remember, if any hacker or scammer get access to your crypto account, that's not going to be traced at all. Crypto is not kind of currency that someone can transfer it from your account and you can possibly trace it to that account. It's not possible with crypto. And this is the major reason why it's a digital asset on a blockchain technology. Always keep that in mind. So being safe and knowing how to protect your account from scammers will help you do the whole thing perfectly, okay? So please keep that in mind. Like this will bring me to the end of the video, and I hope you understand and you derive value from this video. You can drop comment in the comment section below, and I will be very, very happy to go through your questions and comment and answer you very, very well. I will be linking a video here that I think it's very, very important. After watching this video, make sure you watch this video, because it's going to help you a lot so you can understand more and more what crypto investment and trading is really all about and how you can make the most out of it. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.